So what we're gonna do with this dummy is if somebody's trying to mug you, if somebody's trying to attack you or drag you away,
Right.
beautiful place to strike is in the throat because the throat is very vulnerable.
Right.
So what you actually want to do is a hammer fist, and we're gonna go over here so we have more space
Go ahead,
where
honey.
you can hit me.
Okay.
A quick hammer fist to the throat. So I'm obviously not gonna do it to you, but I'd go there lightning quick. So if I'm holding this dummy,
Right.
he's trying to drag you in the woods, come into the woods with me. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so just punch him in the throat. It knocks the wind out of it.
Sorry, a little carried away.
Now I know where you get your aggression. I don't need the dummy anymore.
All right. You ain't gonna mess with me no more.
Wait, that looks so fun, though. I didn't know you were going to punch somebody in the neck. Can you hold them for me just for a minute?
Now I'm afraid of both you and your wife. Okay.
I think we're done with dummies.
Yes. Now that I'm really nervous about getting attacked by both of you, we'll go here again. That way we have space for our next thing I want to show you. So we're going to talk about
Over there, honey.
multiple
When
attackers.
he says we come here, that means us.
Not the dummy. So we know that bad guys travel in packs, birds of a feather. So if you're in a parking lot late at night and two people are trying to attack you, kind of hard to fight off two people at once. So to defeat multiple attackers, you want to use what is called the line technique, and that just means keep them in a line. That way you're only having to fight one bad guy at a time. You could do the throat punch or the growing punch, whatever you prefer.
Well, do
So-
the bad guys line up for you when you
Well,
say,
that's
"Would
what
you
I'm gonna.
stand?"
Okay. Come, that's what I mean.
It'd
So
be
come
really
out. You guys are the attackers. Come and get me.
Coming.
If I'm coming here, I'm gonna move around. That way I'm keeping you in front of him. That way I can throat punch you, and we're gonna dance around. So I'm gonna move. That way you're always lined up.
Okay, so just spin really fast.
Yeah. You're
Spin.
gonna dance in a circle and punch him, and then go to the next guy.
I think I'm going to stick with punching him in the neck.
Yes, that will work. He will choke.
Okay.
Let's move to our vehicle here. This is our beautiful
We
car.
spared no expense.
Yes.
That's your real car.
So
Awesome.
whoever wants to drive, you can drive. She can drive. Whatever you guys want to do.
So I'll drive.
Well, this is a Tesla, isn't it?
It
doesn't
is.
use
This is-
any gas.
yes, this is a very
no
fancy
gas
car.
whatsoever. So you want me to be in the
You can, give me the
passenger seat?
passenger side.
Okay.
So we know, unfortunately, something that happens is at gas stations, you're out of your car pumping gas, you're texting, really not paying attention. Some guy slides in your back seat, and then when you get in the car, he attacks you. And it's a choke from behind, typically. So if I get in here and I've snuck in, I'm trying to choke John to death, strangle him.
I'll be like, see ya.
Well, now I'm not going to tell him how to escape. So if I'm trying to strangle him to death, most people freak out. Most
She'll
people
probably
try
grab
and
my wallet on the way out of the car.
So the super easy way to escape when somebody's trying to choke you to death is not to try and grab everything, but isolate the fingers. So grab one finger and one finger only, peel it away, and once you start peeling that one finger, it's going to hurt and break my finger.
Oh, I see.
So it loosens the grip. Now he's free.
Gotcha.
Yeah, he can beat me up, he can run away. So always remember, peel one finger.
Peel one
Break
finger.
a finger,
Yes,
baby.
exactly.
Yeah, thank you, Jason. That was fun. So Jason's latest is Survive Like a Spy, and everybody here will get all of those skills because you get a copy of the book.